Hello everyone, how are you doing? Do you want to create a redeem code for a specific role? Recap is the bot you are looking for. First, you go to your server settings, go to roles, you go to the recap role, permissions, and make sure recap has manage role permissions enabled. If you want to, for example, create redeem code for friends, you need to change the position of recap above friends. Now you type in chat /role key, select your role, select how many times you can use it, click on the black box. Now if you see I don't have the founder badge, if I type redeem with this code, I will get the founder badge. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.